Hello, good evening, everyone. We will start within 5 minutes. ओके हाँ हाँ बिंदास. Hello, good evening, बच्चों. Sorry, there was some network issues. So today we'll start with the new chapter. I think attendance is also very less today. Why? Only 14 students. Those who are going to miss this lecture, they will be in trouble because this chapter is not so easy. Okay, so let's start with the chapter amines. Chapter number 13. Is my screen visible to everybody?
नो मैम ब्लर दिख रहा है बहुत.
Yes.
ब्लर दिख रहा है. एक मिनट वो हो जाएगा. एक मिनट ना. अरे बहुत नेटवर्क इशू इधर पे आज चल रही नहीं है अभी नेट. ठीक है, we'll start with the chapter amines. ठीक है, what are amines now? Amines are basically nitrogen containing compounds. ठीक है, nitrogen containing organic compounds. Right? Now suppose I have ammonia NH3. If this one H is replaced by some other group, if I'm going to remove that, it will form NH2. So basically this is called as primary amine. When you are having NH2, it is called as primary amine. I have written over here first degree. Okay, if I'm writing here NH, so it is called as secondary amine. If I'm writing only N, it is called as tertiary amine. Quaternary amines भी होता है. Quaternary amines in the sense quaternary ammonium salt that we will study later on. So every time you can replace one of the hydrogen atoms. Okay, so amines are organic compounds having a basic character. So all the compounds which are containing nitrogen, they are always basic in nature. Means they will react with the acids to form salt and water. So they are generally basic in nature. So it is primary amine, secondary amine, second degree, tertiary amine, third degree. Okay. Now amines are generally present in all the compounds, especially in the proteins. Now we have studied the chapter कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, इसलिए मैंने वो चैप्टर आपको पहले पढ़ाया ताकि आपको काफी इजी पड़े. Amines are present in the proteins, vitamins, hormones, and many of the products like nicotine, etc. contains nitrogen. ठीक है? So we have just seen the classification of amines. ठीक है? What is the classification? It has been classified into primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Correct? Now you can also write down here RNH2. Then I'm writing here R2NH. Then I'm writing here R3N. Getting the difference? यहाँ पर हम लोग नहीं देखेंगे. हम लोग हमेशा कैसे देखते हैं? CH2 हुआ, CH हुआ और CH हुआ. So say primary, secondary, tertiary. In this case, you have to see nitrogen. NH2 is primary, NH is secondary, and N is tertiary. So this is very, very important. Okay? Now, amines are further divided into major classes called as aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Okay? You can also classify them as aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. What are aliphatic amines? ये जो आप straight chain में जो लिखोगे, it is called as aliphatic amines. What are aromatic amines? If I'm writing like this, benzene ring with NH2 is called as primary amine. फिर NH हुआ, इसके साथ और कोई compound joint हो गया. Suppose मैंने ऐसे लिखा, ठीक है, NH, और suppose aliphatic ring आ गया, so it is called as secondary. Tertiary में I can write down over here aliphatic ring with N and then R and then R. So anything can be happen. So you can see N over here, it is called as tertiary amine. This is aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic is a straight chain. Aromatic is a ring-like structure. ठीक है? One more part you should remember is जब ये NH2 group होता है, it is amino group. भी NH होता है, it is called as इमाइनो ग्रुप, इमाइनो, हाँ I से इमाइनो ग्रुप, और जब ये ऐसे होता है it is called as tertiary nitrogen, ठीक है, it is called as tertiary nitrogen. Clear? I hope this part is very, very clear for everybody. What are amines? Amines are organic compounds which is formed from the ammonia. So these are generally derivatives of ammonia. Okay, amines are basically derivatives of ammonia. So you are having primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. These are present in most of the compounds such as proteins, vitamins, hormones, etc., etc. Okay, its classification is done as primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amines. Primary amine is having NH2 group, which is also called as amino group. Secondary amine is called as imino group, and tertiary amine is called as nitrogen containing compounds. It is called as tertiary nitrogen. Clear? Then we have further classified them as aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. What are aliphatic amines? Aliphatic amines means it is having a straight chain, and aromatic amines means it is having a ring-like structure. यहाँ तक किसी को कुछ डाउट है?
No ma'am.
ओके, अभी जब मैं इसका आपको IUPAC सिखाऊंगी बच्चों, आपको बहुत ध्यान से सुनना है क्योंकि ये बाकी IUPAC जैसा नहीं है, ठीक है, इट इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी अटेंटिव और बहुत ही ध्यान से देखना है. मतलब सिंपल है, इट इज नॉट डिफरेंट, आई मीन डिफिकल्ट, बट थोड़ा सा वो डिफरेंट है. मुझे 1 मिनट दो, जरा मैं पानी पी लूं. Okay, so we will start now with the IUPAC. I'll start with the new page only. So IUPAC nomenclature of amines. Of course, I'm not going to write down here. I'm not going to write down here general names. I'm just going to write down the IUPAC name. Common names आप खुद से पढ़ लेना, ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ेंगे IUPAC of primary amines. अब मैंने क्या बोला? Whenever you are having primary amines, you are supposed to see first thing, that is it should have NH2 group. This is first example. I will take CH3NH2. Correct? Please pay attention. Do not write down anything. I will give you time to write. How many carbons are there? Only one. So parent is methane. Correct? Parent is methane. And since it is amine, E is replaced by amine. So what is the name of my compound? It is called as methanamine. देखो E नहीं लिखा है मैंने. E is replaced by amine. So it is called as methanamine. Second one, CH3, CH2, NH2. How many carbons are there? 1, 2. So it is called as ethanamine. ये समझा सबको? दोनों भी. First is methanamine, second one is ethanamine, right? Now next, if I'm going to start, हाँ, स्क्रीन अभी मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ब्लर है, अभी क्लियर है एक्चुअली में.
मैम लैग
I
हो
am
रहा
on
है,
proper
क्लियर है
network.
लेकिन लैग हो रहा है.
अच्छा, लैग थोड़ा तो होगा शायद से. यहाँ पे आज बहुत ही ज्यादा इशू है. क्या करूँ मैं अभी? एक तो वाईफाई भी नहीं है. आई एम ऑन माय डेटा. थोड़ा हो रहा है, बिल्कुल मैनेज नहीं हो रहा है क्या?
बहुत लैग हो रहा है और आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है.
हेलो, अभी देखो जरा. हेलो, इज इट ओके नाउ? हेलो.
यस मैम.
हाँ, ठीक है, चलो. So what I said here, अभी ये समझा, CH3NH2 is called as methanamine because only one carbon is there. Then CH3CH2 is called as ethanamine because here you are having 2 carbons. Correct? So it is called as ethanamine. Third one, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Now 1, 2, 3. तो उसको लिखेंगे कैसे? प्रोपेन 1 अमाइन. अब मैंने यहाँ पे 1 क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज I have to check whether this amine is present at the first position. यहाँ पे भी तो आ सकता है ना. That is why I have to write down over here position also. ठीक है. Then fourth one is CH3 CH NH2 CH3. देखो अभी क्या है 1 2 3. So it is present at the second position. That is called as propane 2 amine. बोलो समझा इतना part? All these 4 examples are very very clear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. मैं पहले ये पेज पूरा लिखती हूँ, बाद में आप लोग एकदम आराम से लिखो. Then I will take another example as CH3 CH2 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 NH2. अभी बताओ क्या नाम आएगा. 1 2 3 4 5. तो क्या लिखेंगे इधर. पेंटेन 1 amine. ठीक है. After that we will write down here next one, that is NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. How many are there? 2. How many amino groups are there? 2. So I will be writing over here ethane. ठीक है. पूरा नाम 1,2 diamine. Ethane 1,2 diamine. Understood this? This is at the first position. This is at the second position. So it is called as ethane 1,2 diamine. Okay. चलो next one. ठीक है. Very simple. I am writing here CH2 double bond. अभी देखो double bond हो गया. ठीक है. CH CH2 NH2. अब मुझे बताओ NH2 को प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा या डबल बॉन्ड को. NH2 को प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा ना. सो व्हाट आई विल राइट डाउन हियर 1 2 3. तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे प्रोप. सॉरी आई विल राइट डाउन हियर प्रोप 2 in 1 amine. ठीक है. इट इज प्रोप 2 in 1 amine. Clear? Prop 2 in 1 amine. Is it very clear? Because it is propane. Propane का क्या बन गया propene. Propene का E नहीं लिखेंगे because E is replaced by amine. ठीक है. Next example. Next example is NH2. क्या बन गया ये. It is actually called as benzamine. बेंजीनमाइन सॉरी बेंजीनमाइन पर ई नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. देखो बेंजीन में ई नहीं लिखा. बेंजीनमाइन. और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एनिलिन. एनिलिन पढ़ाया था मैंने आपको बहुत सारी जगहों पर. बेंजीन रिंग विद NH2 ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज एनिलिन. ठीक है. अच्छा अब मुझे एक सवाल का जवाब आप लोग देना. NH2 CH2 6 times NH2 कहाँ पढ़ा था ये कंपाउंड कौन से इसमें यूज किया था.
प्रीवियस चैप्टर में कुछ तो हेक्सामिथाइल ऐसा.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. इट इज एडिपिक एसिड जो हम लोगों ने. वेरी गुड. hexamethyl diamine, hexamethylene diamine. It was adipic acid which was used in the preparation of nylon 6,6. है ना. तो इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा हेक्सेन 1,6 diamine. क्लियर. हेक्सेन 1,6 diamine.
मैम वो ई नहीं
नेक्स्ट
आएगा.
क्या इसमें आएगा ना.
इनका
जब
ई नहीं
1,
आएगा.
नहीं जब भी 1,2 डाई वाला होता है दैट टाइम वी राइट ऑन द फुल नेम. जब भी सिर्फ हेक्सानामाइन होता तो ई नहीं लिखते. देखो ना यहाँ पे इथेन. जब यहाँ पे 2 है 2 अमाइंस आर देयर तो टू राइट ऑन द कंप्लीट नेम. इफ यू आर हैविंग ओनली सिंगल थिंग जैसे यहाँ पे वो इथेनामाइन एक ही अमाइन है तो ई इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय अमाइन. सो व्हेनेवर इट इज डाई ट्राई टेट्रा.
नहीं लिखा है फिफ्थ वाले में.
इसमें नहीं लिखेंगे ना क्योंकि एक ही है NH2. जब भी डबल होता है डायोल diamine, dioic acid, trioic acid, triamine. That time you are supposed to write down that complete name. समझा. अगर मैं सिर्फ हेक्सानामाइन लिखूंगी तो मैं वहां पे पूरा हेक्सानामाइन ही लिखूंगी, बट मैं जब भी 1,6 और 1,4 और 1,2 ऐसे कुछ लिखूंगी, दैट टाइम आई विल राइट डाउन द कंप्लीट नेम। समझा? हाँ, एक से ज्यादा होगा तभी हम लोग पूरा नाम लिखते हैं। बराबर बोला कन्हैया। क्लियर?
ओके मैम, यस।
हाँ मैं
हाँ, मतलब एक से ज्यादा अमाइन होगा ना तो पूरा नाम लिखने का। ठीक है, चलो एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम लोग प्राइमरी अमाइन का। आई विल राइट डाउन। आज तुम लोग का IUPAC सिखा के हो गया ऐसा मुझे लगता है। NH2, ठीक है, इसका नाम क्या आएगा? किसको प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा? एनिलिन को। सो इट इज, सॉरी, इट इज 1 2 3 4। तो क्या हो गया ये? 4 मिथाइल एनिलिन। ठीक है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज 4 मिथाइल एनिलिन। ठीक है, चलो चलो ये हो गया NH2। इसका नाम क्या आएगा? साइक्लोहेक्सेन। ई नहीं लिखेंगे, आई विल राइट डाउन हियर साइक्लोहेक्सेनामाइन। ठीक है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज साइक्लोहेक्सेनामाइन। क्लियर? इतना समझ आ गया? अभी थोड़ा सा तो ब्लर दिखेगा ही बाबा, एकदम ही। तुम लोग के साइड से भी तो नेटवर्क इश्यू हो सकता है ना थोड़ा, कभी कभार। मेरे यहाँ पे होता नहीं, आज फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है तो तुम लोग इतने बार क्या बोल रहे हो? मैं गांव में हूँ, एकदम प्रॉपर विलेज में हूँ। एकदम ही नहीं दिख रहा है ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है, थोड़ा हल्का फुल्का ब्लर दिख रहा होगा। क्लियर? इतना समझ में आया सबको? एग्जांपल्स, यस और नो?
हाँ मैम।
एनी डाउट्स
यस
इन
मैम।
दिस? चलो अभी जितना दिख रहा है, अभी 4 तक दिख रहा है ना, 4 एग्जांपल्स तक दिख रहा है, 4 तक लिखो, फिर मैं कैमरा नीचे करती हूँ, उसके बाद आगे का लिखना। चलो फटाफट कॉपी करो। चलो फिफ्थ से कॉपी करो फटाफट. If you have any doubt, please ask. You understood this part? Whenever you are having two amino or more, then that time you have to write down the complete name. It will be hexane. अगर pentane होता तो पूरा लिखते हैं. Correct? Suppose I'm writing here CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. Correct? What will be the name? It is
मैम एकदम ब्लर हो
butane
गया.
1 amine. Hello? अभी ठीक है?
ब्लर
Butane
ही है अभी.
1 amine. ठीक है. अगर यहाँ पर भी NH2 लगा दूं मैं तो क्या बन जाएगा? यहाँ पे यू आर गोइंग टू राइट ऑन द कंप्लीट नेम BUTANE ब्यूटेन 1,4 diamine. मतलब when you are writing more than one amino groups, you are supposed to write down the complete name. Is it clear now? No confusion. इसके सबके नेक्स्ट सेकेंडरी वाले IUPAC वो सब अलग हैं. So be careful. Done?
No,
Clear
ma'am.
to everybody? Do not write down this butane wala. Okay, it is just an extra example, just to understand. Once you're done, please notify. एक मिनट में एंड करके वापस से रिजॉइन करूँ क्या? बट मीटिंग एंड किया तो पूरा ही एंड हो जाएगा. एक मिनट में किसी और को होस्ट बनाती हूँ. दिवेश, I'll make you host.
नहीं
I
मैम,
will leave
मेरे
the
इधर ही
meetings.
प्रॉब्लम है.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्रगति, प्रगति, हेलो. तुम्हारी आवाज मेरे को एकदम होस्ट बनाती. I will leave and rejoin. ठीक है? हाँ, wait. I will leave and rejoin. ठीक है? Wait. Is it देखो जरा. Is it? अरे रिप्लाई तो करो.
हाँ मैम दिख रहा है.
तो बोलेगा कौन दिख रहा है तो. Write down now. Pragati, make me a host. This is done. Chalo. Should I go to the next example? Any questions in these 11 examples? Give me a quick reply.
Yes.
ठीक है चलो. Now example number 12. We have over here CH2 NH2. Correct? Now I have told you whenever there is an aliphatic ring and aromatic ring, who will get the first preference? Aliphatic. So CH2 will get the preference. So this will become phenyl. Correct? This will become phenyl. I will write down here phenyl methanamine. Am I right? Methanamine Q because I have only one carbon atom. So it is called as phenyl methanamine. Samjha? Acha, suppose I am writing one more example here. You only answer. That is CH2, 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 NH2. बताओ इसका नाम. What is the IUPAC name? Give the preference to the aliphatic ring. Sorry, aliphatic chain. So it is 1, 2, 3. Phenyl is present at which position? Third position. So it is called as 3 phenyl propane 1 amine. Clear? Understood everybody? Okay. अभी एग्जाम्पल नंबर कितना था ये 12, 13, 14. ठीक है. चलो, I have bromine over here and amino group over here. Who will get the first preference? Aniline ring. Correct. So bromo is present at which position? 4. So 4 dash bromo aniline. ठीक है. सिंपल था एकदम. लिखो. One more I'll give you. You name that compound. CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, NH2. Name this compound. Write down the IUPAC name. If you have any doubt, please ask. What is the answer? अरे बच्चे लोग बोलो ना.
रुको मैं.
Phenyl is present at which position? 3-phenyl butane 1-amine. करेक्ट है सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
Any questions for primary amine?
No मैम.
चलो, should I proceed for the secondary amines? Chalo, we'll go for the secondary amines. What are secondary amines? If you're having only NH groups, it's called as secondary amine. Now see, first example into this is CH3 NHCH3. Now how to give the IUPAC name for this compound? First of all, this is a functional group. Just count the number of carbon atoms on both the sides. Here number of carbon is 1. Here also number of carbon is 1, right? So one will become functional group, another one will become the parent. Okay, so this is called as methyl. Okay, I'm going to connect this with the N. So it is called as N-methyl methanamine. Suppose I'm making this as a substituent. So it will become N-methanamine. Correct? N dash capital M. N-methyl methanamine. See how I am writing. Write down the correct number 2. Suppose I am writing here C2H5 NHC2H5. Again, number of carbons are same on both the sides, right? So इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? N-ethyl ethanamine, correct? So it is N-ethyl ethanamine. Okay. I'll give you another example. CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. Now count the number of carbons on both the sides. Here it is 1, here it is 2. So जो side पर ज़्यादा carbon होगा, that will be your parent. Okay? And the side which is having less number of carbon atom, that will be your functional group. So what will be the name? It will be N-methyl. It is N-methyl ethanamine. आया समझ में? N-methyl ethanamine. Understood? ये किसके जैसा है? ईथर के जैसे. Whenever you are ether, so ether में कैसे करते थे? Both the sides are supposed to count the number of carbon atoms. ठीक है? The side which is having more number of carbon atoms will act as your parent, and this side will act as your functional group. So it is N-methyl ethanamine. Okay? Next example is NHCH3. चलो बताओ इसका नाम क्या आएगा? CH3 छोटा है कि बेंजीन छोटा है?
CH.
CH3, correct. So what should be the name? N-methyl aniline, है ना? It will be N-methyl aniline. चलो next example. Fifth one. C6H5NH. Again C6H5. अभी बताओ. अभी देखो, एक फिनाइल हो जाएगा, एक बेंजेनामाइन हो जाएगा. What will be the name? N-phenyl benzenamine. Okay, N-phenyl benzenamine. इसको डाइफेनाइल अमाइन भी बोलते हैं, but it is not a IUPAC name, it is a common name. So it is N-phenyl. Fourth one, ये देखो, you are having N, here you are having a methyl group, and here you are having a benzene ring. So it is N-methyl benzenamine or N-methyl aniline. You can also write down this as N-methyl benzene amine. ठीक है? Copy down that. Chalo, done everybody. Secondary amine.
Yes.
Any questions? We will go for
No,
the
ma'am.
tertiary amine now. I'll write down here. Huh? Tertiary amine. So first example is CH3N, CH3CH3. Again, you should see the number of carbon atoms. Only one can be a parent, rest two are your substituent. ठीक है? So what will be the name? इधर नीचे लिखती हूँ, ठीक है? N, N. देखो, N, N, dimethyl methanamine. Clear? 2 times after write down N. Why 2 times? Because this and this. So N, N, dimethyl methanamine. ठीक है? चलो next example. C2H5NH CH3CH3. अब मुझे बताओ which is having more number of carbon atoms this side. So it will be your parent. So we'll be writing here N, N dimethyl ethanamine. ठीक है, N, N dimethyl ethanamine. Okay. Next, C2H5NH C2H5 C2H5. इसका नाम लिखो, क्या आएगा? N, N diethyl ethanamine.
मैम
Write down
सेकंड
that.
और थर्ड में NH
हाँ,
किससे आएगा?
क्या करूँ? क्या?
सेकंड और थर्ड में NH किससे आएगा? किससे ना क्यों?
सेकेंड और थर्ड क्या समझा नहीं मुझे. वापस से एक्सप्लेन करो.
NH कैसे आएगा? N आएगा. हाइड्रोजन नहीं आएगा ना N से.
ओ हाँ, सॉरी
टर्शरी
ओनली
अमाइन
N
है।
करेक्ट. हाँ, करेक्ट. N, N dimethyl ethanamine and this will be, इसका नाम क्या आएगा? N, N diethyl ethanamine. ठीक है, कितना समझा? First you copy down this much, then we will proceed. I hope everybody is getting it properly. Once you're done, please notify that you're done. चलो डन. Should I go to the next example? इसमें कुछ डाउट है बच्चे लोग? प्लीज रिप्लाई. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Now next example. चलो ठीक है. कितना नंबर था ये? 4th ना? CH3N C3H7 C2H5. चलो बताओ क्या नाम आएगा? Who will be your parent? This is propane, this is methyl, this is ethyl. ठीक है? Methyl, ethyl and propane. But obviously this will be your parent. Now tell me, M will come first or E will come first alphabetically?
A.
A.
Correct. So I will be writing over here N-ethyl, then N-methyl, and then I will write down over here propane 1-amine. Why 1? Because this is at the first position, na? Directly attached to it. So it is called as propane 1-amine. Understood? मतलब in short ये structure कैसा था? Structure was like this: CH3N CH2 CH2 CH3. ठीक है? And here it is CH2 CH3. समझा? तो ये आपका क्या हो गया? फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे था ना, 1 2 3. So it is called as N-ethyl N-methyl propane 1-amine. Understood? अभी देखो एक और थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट एग्जांपल देती हूँ. Fifth one is CH3 CH CH3, then I'll write down N over here and then CH3 और यहाँ पे है आपका C2H5. अभी देखो हाँ, ये N है, इसको पकड़ा हमने. This is first group, this is second group, this is third group. Who will be your parent? Propane will be your parent, right? So it will be N-ethyl, then N-methyl, then propane 2-amine. Why 2? Because it is at the second position. Understood? N-ethyl, N-methyl, propane 2-amine. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
सबको समझा? हीली, जोशुआ, कन्हैया, कशिश, पवन, everybody sleeping. Yes, okay, good. चलो next example. You'll have to answer. NCH3 and CH3. चलो बताओ, what is the name? N, N. आगे?
Dimethyl
Dimethyl.
benzenamine.
Correct. Very
Benzenamine.
good. N, benzenamine. Very good. N, N dimethyl benzenamine. चलो लिखो इतना. Then I will give you some examples. You have to solve that. Some questions I will give you. समझा? IUPAC. It is not as a regular IUPAC. Like you've done in your acids, bases, ethers, alcohols, phenols. It is थोड़ा सा different. I guess you understood this. ऊपर करूँ क्या कैमरा थोड़ा? दिख रहा है स्क्रीन प्रॉपर्ली?
No, ma'am.
बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ अभी थोड़ा ठीक है लेकिन ब्लर.
नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं क्या करूँ यहाँ पे भी नेटवर्क का बहुत इश्यू हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग व्हाई इट इज नॉट. चलो ठीक है, कल से दूसरा कुछ तो नेटवर्क पे करती हूँ. अभी देख लो, आज मैनेज करो आधा घंटा और प्लीज. Finished? Shall I'll give you some questions. You have to solve that just from your textbook. Page number 1 minute. Page number is 297. Okay? Write down the IUPAC names of the following compounds. First one. CH3, CH2N, CH3, CH2, CH3. Second one, CH3C, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. ठीक से देखना प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी अमाइन सब लोग स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ पे गड़बड़ करते हैं they will see this carbon as a tertiary. No, it is not tertiary, it is primary. NH2 you have to see this is your tertiary amine. They will see CH2, so don't get confused in this. CH3 CH CH3 NH CH2 CH3. चलो will be able to do this. और भी है दे दो सब एक साथ.
हाँ मैम.
Fourth one. CH3. Then fifth one is NH2 NH2. चलो 5 questions, 5 minutes you will get. Is it okay for you all? Are you able to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, पहले सब solve कर लो, then we will check. You have 2 more. चलो done. Who will give me the name for the first compound? कौन है यहाँ पे? चलो दिवेश, first compound, what is the name?
Yes, ma'am. N-ethyl, N-methyl, prop 1 amine.
Propane amine.
Yes,
Prop
yes.
नहीं, propane ना, you have to write, हाँ. N-ethyl is correct. N-ethyl, N-methyl, propane 1 amine. ठीक है? Correct. सिद्धेश, what is the name for the second one? सिद्धेश, ये कौन सा वाला आंसर था बेटा?
Yes, first का
N-ethyl
First
first का
answer.
कैसे? N first का but Siddesh, which you have written is wrong na. Methyl भी and ethyl is also there. So N-ethyl, N-methyl, propane 1 amine. ठीक है? चलो, who will answer for the
हाँ तो
second one?
बराबर ही है ना मैम.
हाँ बराबर है. दिवेश is correct. कन्हैया ने जो आंसर लिखा that is wrong. Sorry, not
मैम मैंने भी
कन्हैया,
तो वही
सिद्धेश.
लिखा है।
हाँ सिद्धेश को बोल रही हूँ. Sorry. उसने
हाँ, हाँ,
N-ethyl
please.
propanamine लिखा है. समझा? चलो next.
3,3 dimethyl butane 1 amine.
हाँ. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3,3 dimethyl butane 1 amine. Very good. It is 3,3 dimethyl butane 1 amine. Okay. Chalo, next. Who will give me the answer for the next one? Kashish?
N-ethyl propane 2 amine.
Propane to amine. हाँ बराबर, correct. We can say this is your ethyl group and this is a propyl group. बराबर, correct. Very good. What is N-ethyl propane 2 amine. Shabash. Why 2? Because see, it is 1, 2, 3. At the second position, you are having that. Chalo, next. Pragati. उसके बाद श्रुति will answer. Pragati.
हाँ 2,
बोलो.
dimethyl aniline.
Very good. 2,4 dimethyl aniline. Dimethyl aniline. Okay. Next. श्रुति नहीं आया. ओके. किसको आया आंसर? कन्हैया is correct. What about others? अच्छा, जो आंसर है वो पोस्ट तो करो. Let me check whether you are right or wrong. Whatever you feel, just post that. Anushka, correct. Very good. Kashish, very good. प्रगति नहीं आया. बाकी के लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? It is very simple. 1,4 diamine, not amine. Some people have written amine. It is benzene 1,4 diamine. हो गया इतना?
Yes.
Any doubts so far? Chalo, I'll give you some more questions. You
Miss
have to draw the structures now. Huh?
Fourth का benzene 1,2 diamine बराबर है.
1,2 कैसे आएगा बेटा? 1, 2, 3, 4.
हाँ sorry 4.
What is the position? 1,2 इधर आता है ना आजू बाजू, ortho position पे. This is at the para position. ओके
हाँ मिस, समझा समझा।
रुक जाओ और क्वेश्चन देती हूँ थोड़े। Should I give you some question? Now you have to draw the structures. Yes, हमेशा n डालना जरूरी है दिवेश, क्योंकि it is connected to the n. It is important because n is electron rich. It will always donate the pair of electrons, and it is attached to the basic compounds. It is very important to write only n, not in the case of primary amine, but in the case of secondary and tertiary amines. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अभी draw the structures of the following compound. देखो अभी तुमको आता है कि नहीं. Para nitroaniline. First compound is para nitroaniline. आएगा. Para is opposite position. Nitro group you know, NO2. Aniline तो पता है. Try करो. Butane to amine. Then you have to draw the structures now. ठीक है? एक मिनट हाँ. किधर गया क्वेश्चन? N-methyl aniline. Oh, sorry, not this one. We'll draw these 5 structures. चलो I'll draw the structure, फिर आपकी छुट्टी. Para-nitroaniline, benzene ring, NH2, NO2. Correct सबका? चलो next one, butane
Yes,
to
ma'am.
amine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 4 na? CH3. Butane 2 is NH2. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. हो गया? Butane to amine. Clear? Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4. H आएगा इधर. चलो aniline. N-methyl aniline कैसे लिखेंगे? Benzene ring. फिर N बोला है मतलब it will be secondary ना तो methyl. Correct? N-methyl aniline. समझा?
Yes.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
H of aniline is replaced by CH3. ठीक है? इसमें शायद confusion बनेगा. N, N dimethyl aniline. ये कैसे आएगा? N, N dimethyl. So I'll be writing here benzene ring N CH3 CH3. N, N dimethyl aniline. Both the H of aniline is replaced by मिथाइल ग्रुप्स. ओके, इतना ही था. एक
No,
और था
ma'am.
ना,
और
किधर गया?
एक और
N, N डाइमिथाइल प्रोपेन
वही
2.
fifth.
ये तो पता है ना तुम लोग को, ये दिया हुआ है ना. N, N डाइमिथाइल नहीं, रुको, गलत तो गया. 1 2 3. सो ये नहीं आएगा. N CH3, ठीक है. 1 2 3. सो ये 1 2 3 4 ये आएगा. 1 2 3. करेक्ट. N, N डाइमिथाइल प्रोपेन 2 अमाइन. करेक्ट है. हेलो.
हाँ
एनी क्वेश्चंस? मैंने तुम लोगों को एक चार्ट याद करने के लिए बोला था सुबह में. अच्छा सुनो, कल आपकी छुट्टी है. देयर विल बी नो लेक्चर इन द मॉर्निंग एज वेल एज इन द इवनिंग. सर को
Okay.
इन्फॉर्म कर देना. बेचारे सर उठ के देती हूँ, आप लोग कर देना. सर उठ के लिंक भेजते बेचारे 10 बजे. प्लीज इन्फॉर्म हिम. टुमारो देयर वोंट बी केमिस्ट्री लेक्चर. परसों का आई विल लेट यू नो मॉर्निंग का. इफ विल रिटर्न बैक by 10 I will take. If will not return by 10 I will take the evening lecture. Okay, tomorrow
मैम
there
आप ही
won't
ग्रुप
be
में डाल.
lecture. हाँ ठीक है, मैं डालती हूँ. Okay, 3 questions. Now we are on page number 288. We have done with, oh sorry, not 288, I'm so sorry. Sorry, it was my mistake. We have completed page number 284. Okay, any doubts, any questions in IUPAC? अब ये प्रैक्टिस करते रहना बिकॉज इट इज नॉट रेगुलर वन. क्या लिखा है श्रुति? फॉर बेंजीन रिंग वी हैव टू यूज एनिलिन. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है श्रुति. व्हाट इज एनिलिन? benzene is connected with NH2, so it will be aniline. If H is replaced by some compound, it will remain aniline only. If another H is also replaced by some group, it is also aniline. और जब भी aromatic होता है, that write down the amine. इसको मैं benzene amine भी तो पढ़ सकती हूँ ना. I can write down this as benzene amine as well. समझा? तो ऐसा नहीं है. But aniline is a commercial name which is also considered as IUPAC name. अभी जैसे ही हो गया. Benzene connected with CH3, so methyl benzene is also correct and toluene is also correct. So what is more preferable to write? Toluene. So similarly, you can write on here aniline. Samjha, but you can write on benzene as well. It is also correct. Okay, Shruti. I hope I have answered your question. Okay. Any other questions? Chalo, end karo meeting. See you day after
ma'am.
tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Please study at that chart. Okay. Bye bye.